Yeah! Woo! Oh no, yeah! Woo! She's back inside the caterpillar's stomach. Where are you now, Maya? There you are. Uh-oh, it got stuck on the carpet. It got stuck on the carpet. Wow. Those are monsters. Cool looking monsters though. Hey, what's the name of that big one?
Geigen?
Geigen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, hook hands.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, those look sharp. Is it faster? Yeah?
Yes. Can I just make this?
Yay! You're like a zombie. Like a monster.
Yeah.
Is that one of your tricks? Yeah? Do you like it, Mommy? Godzilla is the only hope of humanity.
No, that.
Godzilla will save humanity from Gigan. There is Kiryu. That's not Godzilla. That's Kiryu. Kiryu versus Gigan. Take that. Take that. Wow, smart Maya. Mommy, look. She's doing a good job. Look at all the plates, Mommy. Well organized now. Smart. Drift. Yeah. Drift. Hello, Maya girl.
Daddy.
Woo! Oh no! Oh no!
Faster.
No, I'm faster. Look. Yeah! The Lamborghini defeated Gigan. Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go off-roading! Woo, off-road! Uh-oh. It's not an off-road car, Mommy. It's an on-road car, not off-road. Silly. Marcelin likes the pickup truck. Maya has gone crazy again. Nyai. What, Maya? Dada! Smart. Good job, Maya. Where? Wow, good job. Yeah. Everything is organized. Yeah. Oopsie. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, standing up. Woo! With the eyes closed. Yeah! Kaboom, kaboom! Yeah!
Whoa! That's fast.
Not bad. Wow! This car is so awesome! Woohoo! Yeah! Nice! Washmatic. This is so awesome, Mommy.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it's done.
Done.
All the clothes are clean now. Yeah, drift. Cool. Yeah. Woohoo, drift. Oh no. You hit the box. Okay, Mommy, go. Bumpy. Oopsie. Uh-oh. That was close. Yeah. Woohoo!
Launching cannons.
Cannons.
Whoa, this shakes.
It rumbles. It shakes.
Oh my gosh! Booyah! Fun!
Booyah, booyah.
Oh no! That's just two monsters. Activate.
Okay, whatever. Okay. Roast that chicken. How do you do it? Not that. This button, Mommy. See? Woo! Maya girl, what are you doing? Hey Maya,
That's
no.
not real, but still scared. How come?
Okay, give it to Markslen. There you go, Markslen. Yay! Donut 360 spin. Going in circles like a carousel. Yeah. Can you drift, Mommy? Ah, I'm the slump monster. I'm going to eat you.
No, you're not. Yeah, but there's two that fall off.
Yeah, you hit one bowling pin, and that bowling pin hit the other one. Nice. Yeah.
Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Maybe I'll bowl it with the car.
Oh, you want to hit those bowling pins?
Yeah, with the car.
Cool. Bring the car to me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Harley Davidson Nightster. Yeah.
Wow.
Can I try, Mommy?
Sure.
Hyperchargers. Radio control. Okay. Oh, nice rims. Nice wheels. And there's the controller.
This is the parking spot.
Reverse, Maya, reverse.
Parking spot, okay?
Nice. Hey, Maxim, baby boy. Hello. Hi, boy. That's a big red pickup truck. Yeah. What the? Hey, it's Maya girl. Hey, Maya.
I was in the tent.
You were? Woohoo! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Nice drifting skills, eh? Yeah. Yeah! Yeah! Coming through.
Don't forget your hard hat.
Oh no! The Care Bear. Yeah! Okay, Maya. I'm going to take a picture now. Okay, 1, 2, cheese! Whee! Mike'sland!
Now you open
Yeah,
this. Show
yeah.
me a happy.
Hello, Maya guy! Wow! Maya is flying! She is flying!
I'm trying to feel the wind.
Yes.
Okay, go! Yeah!
Haha.
Yeah! Drift! Yeah! Okay, mommy, drive it. Put it down. Okay, mommy, go! There you go. Is it easy to drive? All right. One more, mommy. One more run. Yeah. Uh-oh. What?
I'll see.
You were sleeping?
Huh?
I didn't even know that you were inside that.
I live in here.
You live there? Where are you?
Joking.
There you are.
I don't live here with this. I just like to play here.
Wow, it's nice. Wow.
Sir,
That's a desert tank.
I know. First, now I'm gonna get the vehicles. And then the soldiers. Nah, I have a booster ray. This is the...
Ooh. Nice. Woo.
That's a stack.
Yeah. Woo. One more.
Boo, boo.
You cheated.
That's super